Okay, so Suzette, Byron, and Diego gave money to a homeless shelter. Diego gave twice as much as Suzette, and Byron gave 15 less than Diego. If the three friends gave a total of $255, how much did Byron give? Well, first I'm just going to use their initials to determine how much they gave individually. So Suzette, Byron, Diego. And it says Diego gave twice as much as Suzette, and Byron gave 15 less than Diego. And it never says how much Suzette gave, but we can let how much Suzette gave just be X. And then if Diego gave twice as much as Suzette, Diego gave 2X. And if Byron gave 15 less than Diego, we just have to take Diego's and take away 15. And then it said all together they gave 255. So basically X plus 2X minus 15 plus 2X equals 255. And we can combine like terms. And we have 1X plus 2X plus 2X, which is 5X minus 15 equals 255. Then we have to add 15 to both sides. That cancels out, and we get 5X equals 270. When we divide both sides by the 5, we get X equals 54. Now we can determine what each person gave. Of course, Suzette gave 54, but Byron gave 2 times 54 minus 15, which will give you 93. And Diego gave 2 times 54, which gives you 108. And they were asking you how much Byron gave, so we're going to go with 93. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.